Hello everyone, welcome to VMware Arena YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about what is the difference between VM template and virtual machine clone. So in the previous video, we have talked about how to create a VM template, how to deploy a virtual machine using VM template. We have also seen how to customize the virtual machines when we deploy from the template using customization specification. And also we have talked about what is virtual machine clone and how to clone a virtual machine. Clone is nothing but creating a copy of a virtual machine, the exact copy of the virtual machine. So both are serving the same purpose of simplifying the deployment of virtual machine, right, from an existing copy. So from the template we keep a golden image and we deploy multiple virtual machine from it. The clone, we understand if you want to create an exact copy of a existing virtual machine, we can clone that virtual machine. You may be little confused when to use VM template and when to use a VM clone, because the both look similar in the purpose of serving the VM deployment, but there are some use cases which we need to understand when to use VM template and when to use a VM clone. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a comparison table with the real-time examples when to use VM clone and when to use VM templates. Let's get started. So first point when it comes to VM clone, so as we aware that clone creates an exact copy of a running virtual machine at the time of cloning process. So we can clone the virtual machine when it is powered on or power off. We are aware about it. And when it comes to template, template acts as a baseline image with predefined configuration as per the organization standard. As we are aware that, for example, if you want to deploy a multiple Windows virtual machines, you install an operating system, you configure the policies, you install the additional software, whichever we record for the Windows operating system. So we can create that as a golden image. From that golden image, we can deploy a multiple virtual machine, right? And second one is cloning a virtual machine creates an exact duplicate copy of the virtual machine with the same configuration, installed software, without performing any additional settings. Okay, so we also discussed about the real-time situation. So basically, if you have deployed and installed any softwares or you developed any code in one particular virtual machine, you want in imagine it is in the development environment, you want to replicate the same in the production, so we can clone the existing virtual machine. When it comes to VM template, create a template to create a master image of virtual machine from where we can deploy on multiple virtual machines. So this helps us to understand the real-time situation when to use VM clone and VM template. And next one is we can create a clone of existing installed and configured running virtual machine by right click the VM and we can clone the option. So as we are aware that we can clone it in when it is in powered on state as well. You can create a template by converting a virtual machine, or we can also clone an existing virtual machine as a template, or clone another template from an existing template. So here, if you want to convert a virtual machine to the template, we have to power off that particular virtual machine. Okay. Next, VM clones are best suited in test and development environment where you want to create, test, and work with the exact copy of production servers without disturbing the production servers by creating clone of production virtual machine, right? When it comes to VM templates, so templates are best suited for the production environment, so where we want to perform a mass deployment of virtual machines with like a standard operating system image, a basic softwares, some of the security policies which are configured at the OS level. So these are all the some of the organization standard. So you want to capture everything in one image. If you want to install an SQL server, if you want to deploy a file server, we can use the same image from the templates and deploy a multiple Windows operating system. Then we can go ahead and they install whatever the necessary software to serve the purpose of that particular server, such as like IaaS server, database server, anything like that, right? So VM clones are not suited for mass deployment of virtual machine. Yes, so this is specific to use if you want to if you want to have an exact copy of a virtual machine, we can make use of a clone. But templates are best suited for mass deployment of virtual machine, right? And next one is we cannot convert back the cloned virtual machine to the source virtual machine, right? So if you clone it, that will create another copy of the virtual machine. So if you don't want that virtual machine, we can just go ahead and delete the cloned virtual machine, right? But we can convert the template back to the virtual machine to update the base template. For example, we have discussed about the Windows patching, right? So you have a Windows template, your new patches has been installed by the Microsoft. You can convert your template back to the virtual machine and install all the updates, then convert back again to the template and start deploying the virtual machine. So next is cloned virtual machine can be powered on, but templates cannot be powered on. It is a, what you say, it is a configuration template, right? It's no more a virtual machine once it is converted to a template. It is kind of a golden image. Next, you cannot clone a virtual machine if you have connected directly to the ESXi host, and same applies to the VM template. So deploying a virtual machine from the template, or you can clone the virtual machine, everything is only available when you connect to the vCenter server. These options are not available from the ESXi host. If you directly connect the ESXi host using the host client, we don't get this option. Okay. Then we can also customize both VM clone and template using customization specification. So obviously, when you clone a virtual machine from the existing virtual machine, if the existing virtual machine is powered on, please do not power on the cloned virtual machine, because it may hold the existing IP addresses, host name, or all these things. To avoid that, we can disconnect that cloned virtual machine from the network, then we can reconfigure the IP. To avoid that, we can also use customization specification to customize the virtual machine in both cases, like VM clone and VM template. A clone, next one is clone of a virtual machine can be created when virtual machine is powered on. This is important thing. You have an existing virtual machine which is powered on, you want to clone a virtual machine, we can perform the clone when it is powered on. But convert virtual machine to the template cannot be performed when the virtual machine is powered on. So if you want to convert a virtual machine to the template, we have to power off. Okay, so this table helps us to understand the major differences and use cases between VM templates and VM clone. I hope this is informative for you. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your support. You can also click on the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you so much. Stay safe.